Welcome to our channel. If you want to access call waiting features or get help through USPS customer service while tracking your package, follow this quick guide to contact USPS support effectively. Step 1. Before calling, have your tracking number ready. You can find this in your shipping confirmation email or receipt. Step 2. Dial the USPS customer service number at 1-800-ASK-USPS. 1-800-275-8777 for general inquiries and tracking assistance. Step 3. When the automated system answers, listen carefully to the menu options. Say, track a package, or press the corresponding number. Step 4. When prompted, enter your tracking number using your phone keypad, followed by the pound sign. Step 5. Listen to the automated tracking information provided. If you need to speak with a representative, say, representative or customer service. Step 6. You may be placed on hold or in a call waiting queue. Stay on the line and wait for the next available representative. Step 7. While waiting, you can also track your package online by visiting USPS.com and entering your tracking number in the search field. Step 8. When a representative answers, clearly explain your tracking issue or question and provide your tracking number again if requested. Step 9. For faster service during busy times, consider using USPS's online tracking tools or the USPS mobile app instead of calling. Step 10. Save the customer service number in your phone for future reference when you need assistance with USPS services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.